Okay, so in this example, we're going to solve 3x plus 1 less than 2x minus 5, and 2x minus 5 is less than x minus 7, and then graph the solution. Okay, so this is a compound inequality, and in fact, it's a double inequality, and it's a conjunction, which means we could separate this here. Sometimes you could solve these inequalities in by leaving it in this notation. However, this time we notice we have x on the left, in the middle, and the right. So to solve an inequality like this, we first rewrite it as a compound inequality with the word and. And so what we're going to get is 3x plus 1 is less than 2x minus 5, and, that's the keyword and, 2x minus 5 less than x minus 7. Okay, so then now we're going to go ahead and solve each inequality separately. So let me go ahead and isolate x on both sides on the inequality on the left. So we'll solve this one first. And doing so gives me x plus 1 less than negative 5. Now I'm going to subtract 1 on both sides to get x is less than negative 6. All right, so in other words, I subtracted 1 on both sides here. All right, now solving the one on the right again, I'm going to subtract x on both sides again. And I'm going to get left with x minus 5 less than minus 7. All right, so then I would add 5 on both sides to get x is less than, I had to add, so I've got a, negative 2. All right, so let's just double check our work here. Okay, seems correct. And so now, what is this in set builder notation? The solution set in set builder notation would be the set of x such that x is less than negative 6 and x is less than negative 2. However, notice that any number that is less than negative 6 also satisfies x is less than negative 2. And so we're taking the intersection, or the scene where they overlap. This actually would be can be more compactly written as the set of x such that x is less than negative 6, because those are the only ones that are going to satisfy both inequalities. All right, so then you could also have written this in interval notation as negative infinity to negative 6. All right, so then we need to graph our solution set here. All right, and our solution set would be, it's going to say we have negative 8 here, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, and so forth. So we would have an open circle at negative 6, and then we would shade everything to its left. And that's how you graph that solution set.